In this video, we'll discuss about tongue. Tongue is a muscular organ which is composed with that skeletal muscle. It is having that freely movable structure, anterior end and posterior is that. Anterior end and posterior end together will be called oral part and also pharyngeal part. Oral part is free end and pharyngeal part is based on the structure called the base of the tongue. It is the pharyngeal part which is based on that buccal cavity, lingua, frenulum. So tongue means also called lingua. Tongue is anterior part, that is oral part. Posterior part is pharyngeal part. Based on that buccal cavity, lingua, frenulum. And below that lingua, frenulum, there is a bone is present. That bone is called hyoid bone. Structure of tongue. So the tongue anterior is oral part, free end part. Posterior is that pharyngeal part. Anterior part and posterior part is separated by a structure called sulcus terminalis. It is in the V shape. If you see that cross section of the tongue, so anterior part, it is a free end part and posterior will be the base. The base is supported by lingua frenulum. It is also present in the above the hyoid bone. These are the structures about the tongue. Tongue is composed with, I said, skeletal muscle. The muscles are two types of skeletal muscles are present. Extrinsic muscle, intrinsic muscle. Extrinsic muscle will be help in the movement. Intrinsic muscles are help to swallow. Very important structures which are present in the tongue, that is called taste buds. So these are also called papillae. Taste buds or papillae mainly four types: circumvallate, foliate, fusiform and fungiform. Circumvallate papillae, these are present in the edge of the sulcus terminalis. These are large structures, 8 to 12 in number. Fusiform papillae, it is mushroom shape. Fungiform papillae, these are leaf shape. Foliate papillae, these are smaller structures, pinpointed. So these are the important papillae which are present completely oral region. It starts from sulcus terminalis. In the sulcus terminalis, surrounded by circumvallate papillae, these are larger in number, 8 to 12, and fusiform, fungiform foliates will be distributed entire anterior region. Now we will see the taste. Anterior side it is the sweet taste, posterior side is the bitter taste, lateral side is the sour taste, in the center it will be salty taste. So these are the taste recognition, but what about spice? The spice, there is no taste buds. The spice will be the burning of nerves which are present in the tongue region. So it will be show that the burning sensation. So this is about tongue. Tongue also called lingua. I hope you understand the video. Thank you.